I really liked cartoons growing up. I've always been described as a cartoon, like a living one with how animated I am, so I think it really reflects in my art as well. I didn't get along with my family very well. I was kind of considered a black sheep. My mom had smoked for ever since she was in her teens. I would often take cigarettes from where her carton was. You know, it's very easy to see how addicting it is, and I was also able to see why my mom struggled so much. I was also dealing with unmedicated ADHD and unmedicated bipolar, and little did I know, I also had PTSD on top of it, so you know, I had a lot of challenges with school and with social interactions. I would often use smoking as a way to cope with my situation. I was pained by it. Pained by the fact that I am hurting my body in the way that I am, and you know, that I can't find enough worth in myself to be able to push forward. It was very difficult for me to find purpose in my own life. I met somebody very, very special to me at that high school who I basically call my second mother. She was also my art teacher, and already at the time I had discovered a passion for drawing. She would see it and be like, wow, you're like so amazing, what the heck? With the stress that I had in my life, I often used nicotine and alcohol as a way to escape from it. But as I have evolved, I have found that art is my new escape, my new way of finding freedom and discovering myself in a way that was so much more healthy and fulfilling and satisfying than a simple cigarette could ever be. Even with my hardship, I was beginning to realize I deserve to live happily. I deserve to be healthy. I've had a lot of supportive people in my life, and eventually I looked at a cigarette and I went, you know what? This is the last one. I'm not doing any more after this. I told myself it would be the last one. I had 2 more after that, but when I see people who do still smoke, I can't help but feel related to them because I know that they're going through the same struggles that I do. I'm pretty sure they know just as much it's not good for you. And they already know that like they're struggling with these feelings inside of them of craving and addiction because I was there. I know what it's like. Be patient with yourself. Find support in the people around you. Understand that they love you. They want you there more than anything. This was like basically my first full-scale painting that I did. So it's a mark of my first journey into recovery. I like to think of it as that.